gonna take a selfie just to double check. And I'm blind. Welcome to Midlifers Photography News. Today we are unboxing an Instax Mini 99. So we just got this, it was released just yesterday. Comes with this photo frame, came with 3 packs of film, and I was briefly cheated. I thought I got an Instax PAL, but it turns out this is not an Instax PAL, it's just a thumb drive. Bad on you, Fuji. Okay, so I don't think most of us care for that. This is the Instax Mini 99. Comes in this box. I'm gonna open it. It comes with an additional 2 packs of film, and then the thing we've been all waiting for, the Instax Mini 99. So it comes in color black only. ASMR this. Okay, I think I love the color. I love the colorway. I love the feel of this. I wish Fuji had done this to their Instax cameras way earlier. Okay, so the battery comes in a charger like this. I wish that we didn't have a separate charger. I wish we could just charge it directly from the camera. That would have made life a lot easier. You don't have to carry an additional extra thing. Let's plug it in, and the battery is dead. So I guess this is the cable to charge your battery. It comes with a strap, comes with the manuals that no one will ever read. It comes with a base script. Okay, so that's the quick unboxing of a Instax Mini 99. All right, so this camera came with a dead battery. So let's put it aside. And through the wonders of TV magic, I have one that's fully charged. So let's go shooting. Okay, so when you open up the camera, it has this cool light up on the inside. Oh, it auto ejects. That's something new, because usually Instax cameras, they don't auto eject. Alright, so we're gonna make sure the camera is fully charged. I'm just gonna take a selfie just to double check. So it's on right now. And I'm blind. Here we got our first shot. So let's go out and shoot some Instax. Okay, we're gonna go on a photo walk right now. It's nighttime, so we're gonna do some long exposures. So follow me. Okay, so we're at our photo walk location. We're gonna take some long exposures right here. Okay, so this camera has many features. I'm gonna actually switch it to bulb mode right now. Okay, and I'm gonna actually switch off the flash, which is something rare on Instax cameras. And we're gonna attempt to take a long exposure right now of this scene at Jalan Besar. Okay, that was like a second long, maybe half a second. Alright, so we took our first shot in auto mode. The results were quite positive, but I'm gonna switch to Lighten Plus and see what kind of results we get. I think that should be the most ideal exposure. Okay, so I think that was like a 2-second exposure. I think this should turn out a lot better. So let's go and see what comes up. I'm just gonna press first. Oh my god. Okay, so after extensive testing and a lot of research, which actually just means one of our friends read out the manual, we realized that you can't really switch off the flash if you're using exposure compensation. So if you lighten or darken the image, you'll not be able to switch off the flash. So this is just something to take note if you're doing long exposures like what we're doing today. Alright, so I'm gonna switch to the normal exposure compensation, which is 0. And with that, I will finally be able to switch off the flash. And I'm gonna try to take a 4-second exposure. So, oh no.
It's bulb, it's not.
Okay, we're gonna do a 4-second exposure right now. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. hope this works. Okay, I'm gonna do a long exposure. I'm gonna switch on bulb for the entire 10 seconds. It has a limit of 10 seconds, so let's test it out. Okay, guess I count too slow. That was 10 seconds. Let's see what comes out. So as you know, Instax is a daylight balance film. So during the night, you get colors that are a bit iffy, especially on long exposures. So the beauty of the Instax Mini 99 is that it has internal LEDs that can light up. We're gonna try to switch it to a warmer tone and still take a long exposure and see whether that helps with getting better colors. We are gonna do a multiple exposure now. I already took a shot of Ian. Now we're gonna try to superimpose the streets onto him. Alright, so while doing a long exposure on the mid camera, we're gonna do the outro here. We've done testing the Instax Mini 99. All these shots are what we had taken earlier today. I think Ian will upload them and share with you in a more palatable manner. So if you ask me whether this camera is a yay or nay, I would say it's a yay. It's a definite buy in my books. If you love shooting Instax Mini, it has all the manual controls, it has all these light leak-like features. So I love it. If you can afford it, get it. Other than that, I guess that's the end of this quick and dirty review of the Instax Mini 99. If you love this episode, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, do drop them down below.